Oh my God, this house has the most beautiful view you've ever seen in your life.
We are in the village of Casciana, near Spa, Equiterme. Okay, 20-25 minutes Park of Nazionale Alpi Apuane.
I'm sorry, for a moment there I thought we were hiking for 25 minutes, but okay.
The price is 85,000.
Wow, he's on it today.
110 square meters.
Okay.
3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms in
Sì.
1,100 square feet. I'm curious.
Sì.
Okay.
Living room, big kitchen, good garden.
Okay.
A view incredibile.
Okay.
Nice for idromassaggio.
Nice for hydro massage.
Relax with the view.
You know, I think we need to do t-shirts that say relax on them. Okay. And then on the back, don't do it. Relax, don't do it. If you want to go through it, relax.
Stone house.
Okay.
Court.
Cute.
Comune, come si dice? Corte.
Communal.
Comune, questa.
Communal with just
Sì.
them?
Sì.
This person, possibile comprare?
Mi sto informando.
Okay. I would want to buy this. Only because I don't like to share things with people. And you're already in sort of a community. I mean, it could be a lovely couple, you could be best friends, but why not move like your best friends in there? Yeah,
Yes.
I would buy both of them.
Si può dire
why not?
indipendente.
I think that's the thing. And plus this is very well priced, so if this is going to be well priced, I think I'd buy both of them. Yeah. I've already made that assessment before I even go in the door. It's like, let's buy both of these because it's a very net decision. Let's just wrap it up. Okay, let's go in. Okay, this is a fixer-upper. So I like this because you could do whatever you wanted to it. And none of it has been destroyed. So that's a beautiful thing. Probably go up. Of course, you know, I always say that because, wow, this terrace is crazy.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, wow. This is nice. Another reason to buy the house next door. Blow through that house. It's fantastic. This is fabulous, Stephen. Please don't fall off the edge. Thank you very much.
No guardrails, that's fine.
Wow. Be careful. Attention, please, Mr. Wackadoodle. He just flies over the edge of it. E oltre casa
Garden.
qua.
Ecco, stone house e garden.
Nice. Very nice. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, so this is the thing. This was a beautiful stone house, which they stuccoed. I would buy the whole damn thing. I wouldn't even think about it without buying the whole thing. So I would now purchase this without being able to purchase that because this is theirs as well. Look at this beautiful garden you can make here. Oh my God. Beautiful, like you could even put a little pool here, not a big pool, but a small pool, little sitting area, little pergola. Fantastic. This could have a pergola. Wow. I love it. This is the holy grail. You can't see a wire at all. They're not close to the house. This is what you want. You want this. This is perfect. So I would buy this just for the view. And that's how I bought my house here, is just for the view. The house is probably, who cares if it's okay, you can make it gorgeous. Because really you're sitting out here, you have a huge terrace. You don't really have to do anything to the terrace. You have a place to, if you want to put a little pool there, it's great. You sit up here, you sun, you go to the pool. You have a pergola on that side where you eat in the shade, done. For me, this is worth 85 grand right here. This is it. Fantastic. Love it. It's really spectacular here. This is fantastic. Fantastic.
Surprise.
Surprise. Oh God.
Pozzo.
Surprise, he's gonna throw me in there. They have a well, which is a big deal and costs a lot of money. So this is worth a lot of money right here. So this is probably worth, are you ready? Gird your loins, 20 grand just for a well. So I mean, this is a yes for me. Yes, 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 yes. This is a yes. This is fantastic.
Fantastico.
It really is. Perché questo? It's for the view.
Sun, no problem for
Who
day.
gives a shit about the house? This is where you're going to hang out.
Wow.
This you can make lovely, you know, and that's all you need. But this is the thing, and you have a place to throw a pool, and done. And you're in Tuscany, and it is beautiful, and the view here is incredible. Yes. I would buy this in 2 seconds. Done. View, done, sold, done. Okay, we can leave now. This is the kitchen. Yeah, yes, you've sold me. You don't even have to say another word. You can just walk me through silently. We don't even have to speak. Just silent, no words. Just walk me through. I'm writing the check. I'm in the car. I've got my checkbook. I'm writing a check. I mean, yes, please. Yes, I'll take it. Wrap it up. Let's go.
Okay.
She's selling a house. I mean, someone needs to buy this house. And it's in a great location too. And we're gonna find out about the other house too, because we're gonna buy that too. This is great. It's fantastic. You know what? You don't have to do a lot. Well, we'll rip all that out. Don't worry about it. But you're just gonna rip this to shreds. You're gonna redo this whole thing. And you're gonna have your dream house in Italy because that friggin' view with a glass of wine. That's it. I'll take it. Silent tour. I don't want to even hear a thing. Not a word. Don't say
Silenzio.
He's gonna mime it now. This is great. You're whispering now.
The floor.
Oh, the floor's fab. Get that checkbook out. Write that check. This is great. Yeah. It's got all the bones, all the bones. Here's another bedroom. Yeah, this is fantastic. All the bones.
It's dry in here, it's not humid at all.
Well, it's not because you're up high. So that's the other thing. Up high, no humidity, 0, because we're off the ground. So here's a little thing to think about. Anything that touches the ground is humid in your house here in Italy, in the Lunigiana. Well, let's just say that. 3 feet up. After 3 feet, it's no longer humid. So the second floors are usually not humid unless there's a problem with the roof and the rain has come in. This is ideal because there's really not a lot of ground. On the front of the house, there's a little bit of ground, but everything is high. So it's great. And it's fresh here, right? It's cooler. Yeah, I mean, I don't have to sell this anymore. I want to do a silent tour just with music. You know that music they play in elevators? That's what I want. Just me, just walking.
È bella anche la struttura. Big, the wall.
Yeah, it's fab. I love it. Bathroom. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, or 1 bathroom, or 1 bathroom. I mean, I have nothing to say. I mean, it's like sold. Easy to gut this thing, rip everything out of here. Yeah, love.
Federico walks, his shadow tall, ci porta qui sotto un cielo d'autunno, this ancient stone, it tells a tale di mani forti, di vite che non sanno. Le Alpi apuane, they whisper low, sussurrano segreti che il vento sa portare. Federico, show us more. Questa casa, it's a door to the past, to the sky, al futuro che non muore mai.
Hey, if you have a house in the Lunigiana region and you'd like us to come and look at it and feature us on our YouTube videos, go ahead and write to Steven. His link is below. See you there.
Ada surprise.
What is this?
Wow.
What is it? Oh, is it the downstairs
The cellar.
part?
The cellar.
Oh, yeah, I don't go down there, but they'll go. Go ahead.
Can we have the light? La luce, grazie.
Wow. Fantastica. Original.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Stone incredibile.
Oh, cool, yeah. Oh, we could get a lot of wine in here.
You know, this is the stone of the original house, you guys.
Yeah.
This is what this
It's
will
what it will
look
look
like
like.
when you take all this stuff off.
Yeah.
Oh,
Double
really?
the
Okay, I'm
space.
coming. All right, I'm coming. Oh, wow, this is a whole other house down
È
here.
possibile taverna.
Well, you could put an apartment down here. This is fantastic. Movie room, wine cellar.
Is important for house, not the land, ma no humidity.
Right, well, it's exactly what I was saying is they raised it off. That's why it's not humid, because this has been raised off. This is more humid, right? And then when you go upstairs, it's less humid. So these are things you have to understand about stone houses in Italy, is if you're off the floor like this, it's a big plus. This is a great house, guys. This is worth it. What are you doing? What is this? You're doing some sort of shadow dance. What is happening? Questa casa,
Sì,
is it for sale? Questa?
e di altra la vendono quella casa di là gli altri signori, può darsi di sì.
Questa qui non è agibile.
Quella di là, sì, sì. Ma ora mi informo io, sono quei
Questa-
signori di massa, vero? Li ho già presi contatto.
Era in vendita, ora non lo so, ma era in vendita anche quella.
Okay, so yes.
Sì.
We say
È
sì.
mia cugina, siamo tutti parenti.
Oh, it's her cousin. That's what I said. Let's talk a little bit with this lady, because this guy, he knows nothing. Okay, so there's a cugina.
Sì.
Cugina.
Okay.
Qui erano
so,
tutti parenti.
Con calma. Can she talk to parlare con la
Sì,
cucina?
sì.
Perché comprare tutto.
Ok.
Okay?
Ok.
So will she ask
sì,
her? Chiedere.
La mia capanna anche.
Sì,
Ah.
sì. Ho preso contatto con i signori che abitano a Massa.
Okay.
E ora vediamo, prossima
But
settimana.
penso sì, right? Sì.
Sì.
For the right money.
Io non ho ancora visto dentro
So,
come...
una cugina o due cugina
Sì.
o chi? Chi vive
Sì.
qua?
Ora non è abitata la casa.
Okay. So
Vivono
there's no one
a-
living there. Please hold. You know, this is how you ask questions here, because you're not going to get any answers to anything. So in other words, nothing gets volunteered here. Nothing. So now we know it's her cousin. We know so far it's one cousin. My next question is, how many cousins? So una cugina, due cugine vive qua.
No,
È una proprietaria.
erano
Let her talk,
due sorelle, mia mamma
Okay.
e questa.
What I know is that it's not a bunch of people. It's just the aunt owned that and the mother owned this. Okay, so now we know there's two people we're dealing with, not 10 people we're dealing with. Very important information. Number one question, how many people own this? Do they all want to sell it? So what I've gotten from this lovely lady is that she would like to sell what was her mother's. They're going to talk to the cousin and see if her mom's sister's property, which is now owned by her cousin, if they're interested perhaps selling this whole thing. So now you've got some information. Here's what I say to you. If you love this property, you buy it. And then eventually you're going to work it out with them, because they're going to live next to you. It's abandoned now, but they're going to be like, well, these people are living here. Maybe we should sell it. It may take you years of asking, but you know, every year you'll say, are you interested in selling it? Are you interested in selling it? That's how it works in Italy. So, and as they know you and they like you, you're going to get a completely different reception to that question. Because right now I'm just a very loud American coming in and buying a house, and then they realize that I'm a very nice person and I love Italy and that I want to live here, and then they will, you know, at some point you'll come up with a good answer for both of you. So that is it. Federico, could you step back 3
Sì.
steps? Yeah.
No, no ideal.
Una, due, tre, formaggio! Jump in the pool!
Ah, the pool. Allora,
Yeah, exactly.
ok.
All right, so obviously I love this, so bravo to you. You came through. I would definitely buy this, no doubt about it. It's the perfect Italian home, summer home, however you want to. This view is just to die for. It's just exactly what you want. So if you've gotten this far in the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and,
Subscribe.
good, he remembered it. All right, and thank you, Federico.
Thank you,
I
Annette.
think 4, 5, 12 thumbs up on this. Yeah, I would write a check for this in a minute. We'll see you at the next location. Peace.